Today, we're diving into a really important conversation that many of us have on a regular basis. Hostess, good evening, and welcome to the Gilded Spoon. Do you have a reservation with us tonight? Liam? Yes, we do. It should be under the name Liam. For 2 people. Hostess? Yes, Mr. Parker. Your table is ready. Right this way, please. The hostess leads them to a table in a quieter corner of the restaurant. Hostess, here is your table. Your waiter, Marco, will be with you shortly to take your drink orders. Enjoy your evening. The hostess leaves. Liam and Chloe sit down, and Chloe immediately starts looking at the menu. Chloe, wow, this place is beautiful. The lighting is perfect. I love the artwork on the walls. Liam, I know, right? My sister recommended it. She said the food is incredible. Have you looked at the menu yet? Anything catching your eye? Chloe, I'm still looking at the appetizers. Everything sounds so good. I'm torn between the roasted beet salad with goat cheese and a crispy calamari. What do you think? Liam, the calamari is a safe bet. But the salad sounds really fresh. Why don't we get both and share? That way we get to try a bit of everything. Chloe, that's a great idea. I'll definitely go for that. What about the main course? I was thinking of the pan-seared scallops. But the mushroom risotto also sounds divine. A waiter, Marco, approaches their table with 2 menus. Waiter, good evening. My name is Marco, and I'll be your server tonight. Can I get you started with something to drink? We have a wonderful Chardonnay from Napa Valley and a full-bodied Cabernet Sauvignon. Liam, hi, Marco. I'll have a glass of the Cabernet Sauvignon, please. Chloe, I'm not much of a wine person. Do you have any non-alcoholic options? Maybe some fresh juice or a specialty lemonade. Waiter, yes, of course. We have a house-made raspberry lemonade and a sparkling ginger ale with a hint of mint. They're both very refreshing. Chloe, that sounds perfect. I'll have the raspberry lemonade, please. Waiter, excellent choices. I'll be right back with your drinks and can take your food order then. Marco leaves. Chloe and Liam continue their conversation as they look over the menu. Liam, okay, so appetizers are decided. I'm leaning towards the grilled lamb chops for my main. They usually do a great job with lamb here. Chloe, I've decided on the risotto. I love a good creamy mushroom risotto. I just hope it's not too heavy. Marco returns with their drinks. Waiter, here we are, a cabernet for you and a raspberry lemonade for you. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes? Liam, we are ready, thank you. We'd like to start with both the roasted beet salad and the crispy calamari to share. Chloe, and for my main course, I'll have the mushroom risotto, please. Liam, and I'll have the grilled lamb chops. Could you tell me what they come with? Waiter, the lamb chops are served with a side of garlic mashed potatoes and grilled asparagus, all drizzled with a red wine reduction. It's a very popular dish. Liam, that sounds fantastic. I'll have that. Could you also make sure the lamb is cooked medium rare? Waiter, of course. And for you, ma'am, any specific requests for the risotto? Chloe, no. It sounds perfect as is. Thank you. Waiter, all right. Your order is in. I'll bring the appetizers out as soon as they're ready. A while later, Marco brings their appetizers. Waiter, here are the appetizers. Enjoy. Liam and Chloe begin to eat and talk about their day. Chloe, oh my goodness, this calamari is amazing. It's so light and crispy. And the aioli dipping sauce is incredible. Liam, the beet salad is great, too. The goat cheese is so creamy. And the beets are perfectly roasted. I'm glad we decided to get both. After they finish their appetizers, Marco returns to clear the plates. Waiter, are you finished with your appetizers? I'll let the kitchen know you're ready for your main courses. Liam, yes, they were excellent. Thank you. A short time later, Marco brings their main courses. Waiter, here we have the mushroom risotto, and for you, the grilled lamb chops. Enjoy your meal. Liam and Chloe eat and talk about their plans for the weekend. Chloe, this risotto is incredible. It's so rich and creamy, and the mushrooms are so flavorful. I'm so glad I chose this. Liam, the lamb is cooked to perfection. Medium rare, just how I like it. The mashed potatoes are so smooth. This place lives up to the hype. After they finish their main courses, Marco approaches again. Waiter, how was everything? Did you save any room for dessert? Chloe, it was all absolutely delicious. Thank you. What do you recommend for dessert? I'm feeling like something sweet but not too heavy. Waiter, our most popular dessert is the creme brulee. It's a classic. But our flourless chocolate cake with raspberry coulis is also excellent and quite light. Liam, I'm stuffed, so I'll just have a coffee, please. An espresso for me. Chloe, I'll have the creme brulee. It sounds amazing. Waiter, wonderful. 1 creme brulee and 1 espresso coming right up. After they finish their dessert and coffee, Marco brings the check. Waiter, here is your check. Thank you so much for dining with us this evening. I hope you'll come back soon. Liam, thank you, Marco. The service was excellent. We'll definitely be back. Have a good night. That's all for today's conversation. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident about your next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Also, don't forget to subscribe Tech D India channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video.